Hello once again guys, yeah, this is Willify Code, the spearhead and the CEO of the Titan Code community. Yeah, you can check us out on X, on Discord, on Instagram. Yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install Django on your computer. Yeah, so the first thing you're going to have to do is to open your command line interface. You just go to your search bar and search for CMD, then you get into the command prompt. The prerequisite for this installation is for you to have Python installed on your device. So we're going to check by typing in Python version. Check if you've got Python installed. Apparently I have Python installed. So the next thing that you're gonna have to have on your device for you to install Django is for you to have pip. Alright, pip is like an installer. It is an installer. You can use it to install a lot of frameworks, Flask, NumPy, even Django. So we're gonna just type in Python -m pip. So we want to check whether we have it. Yeah. So now these are the commands. You can either use pip to install, lock, download, uninstall, freeze, whatever you want to do. Even wheel and a lot of things. Yeah. So but if you don't have pip installed on your device, I have a video down in the description that can show you how to install pip on your device. Yeah. So now that we have pip installed, show that I have pip on this device. Yeah, I'm gonna install Django real quick. So you just simply write pip install Django, and the installation is gonna start right about now. Okay, so it shows that I have already installed Django on my device, so we're just gonna go straight into creating our Django app. So you can just go here and just create a new folder and call that folder my Django project. My Django. Let's call it proj. I'm going to write a lot of words. My Django proj. Cool. So we're just gonna go into it. Open the file explorer. Yeah. So I'll show you a trick. Now this trick is that you can actually open your command line interface by just typing cmd in your directory bar. It's going to open it for you real quick over here. Good. Now that your command line is open, what you have to do is now to use Django admin to start your Django app. Django admin, I'll show you everything Django admin can do. Once you just type Django admin like this, it shows you everything you can use it to do. You can use it to check, compile messages, to flush, to make migrations, to run servers, to create shell, to migrate SQL, so many other things. So what we're gonna do now is this: start a project. Exactly. So we're gonna just type Django-admin start project. Then we are going to write the name of our app, which is my Django project, right? My Django project. Doesn't necessarily have to be the same with your folder name. I just want my stuff to be the same. Remember we put proj, right? So now you're gonna put a period, which shows that everything here has to be within this. So enter. So if you go back to our file explorer, you can see that we now have our folder called my Django proj. So I'll just briefly tell you what these are for. This is just the initialization files, setting, URL files, and then the ASGI and WSGI for deployment. Yeah, I'll talk about that in another video. Now we're going to go back to our command line. Now we're going to actually run the server using this command over here. But actually we're going to use Python. The reason why we're not using Django admin is because we're using manage.py. You can see this manage.py here. Okay. is like a Python script that's outside of the Django environment. So we can access with Python. So we're gonna just type in Python manage.py space run server. And then we just wait a little bit for it to run the server, and then we have our Django app running smoothly. Exactly. So now this is our Django server. So I'll just click on control click, then it's going to open our server for us. There we have it, our Django project. So please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something and you got some value. Share it to your friends who need it, and then subscribe for more videos. So if you'd like to watch the video about how to install pip, yeah, you can just click on this link that just popped up. Then you'll get pip installed so that your Django framework can be installed smoothly. Alright, till next time guys, peace.